naton is nahanungod sa social pension program, and we are so happy to inform you nga apat ka mga local government units ang mag-take on sang challenge kung sa diin magabayad sila sang social pension, of course in partnership with us sa DSWD, on a monthly basis and amounting to 1,000 pesos per month. So ang apat ka localities nga ini are Hordan in Guimaras, Lezo sa Aklan, Manapla sa Negros Occidental, kag Bacolod City sa Negros Occidental. No? So, we would like to thank these LGUs for taking on the challenge, because we also know that it is going to entail manpower and logistics para mahiwat ang payout. So, thank you for taking on the challenge as to these 4 LGUs. For the remaining localities, ang payouts ng social pension will be on a quarterly basis, and that is 3,000 pesos every day. So, sa ating mga lolo kag lola, halungan ninyo ang inyong alawas para malayo ka mo sa mga balagyan.